So what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to talk about Zcash. The market has gone the direction in which we predicted on our last video, and today I wanted to talk to you to see if this cryptocurrency is ready to at least bounce and give us some upward momentum. Because currently, yeah, the downtrend is definitely intact today for Zcash. Market currently down 2%. Maybe, just maybe, we might see this market bounce from this buy pocket that we created in our last video, which was right here on the 27th of November. It didn't take the market long to hit our ultimate TP spot, 24% right there. If you stayed in from the low that occurred on the 3rd of December, that's around 39.25%. So now let's go ahead and talk about the market price action for Zcash now. So let's get rid of this. We will also delete these buy pockets here, but we're going to keep this one into, or at least on the chart right here, because that's still viable. Now let's go ahead and add new areas of selling in the market for Zcash. First thing we're going to do, as always, we're going to create areas that we suspect the market to see a majority of buying and or selling. Okay, so let's go ahead and create that. Now, the only buying that we can currently see where price is already validated is right here around $305. Seeing that this market trend is still intact, we need to go ahead and add new buy pockets as this price continues to go lower. Okay, so currently this market is not a buy. Okay, I'm gonna repeat, this market is not a buy. We won't see a buy until we see the market bounce from one of these buy pockets. It's trying to do it right now, which it still may do it. Price comes down, bounce a second time, then that would definitely give us another idea to look for price in Zcash to go up. But I'm putting that on ice for the moment. Okay, so look at this on the 2. I like the 2-day chart, at least for a beginning stage of buying, because on this 2-day price bar, the market stopped. And then the next 2 days, price went right back up. Here it is on the 3. Same thing here on the 3. Seeing a pretty good substantive move down over the last couple of 3-day price bars. Market now is pumping the brakes off of this buy pocket, which is good, but you know, we're still seeing price closing off of the highs right here, which resembles the sellers are still here. Here it is on the 4. Here's Zcash on the 5. I don't like the 5 for buyers at all. This 5-day price bar is giving that reason. It's telling you right there that the market participants are mostly selling their Zcash into the market than they are willing to buy it right now. Here it is on the weekly chart so far. Zcash on the 2 weeks, 2 days and 3 hours left on this current 2-weekly price bar. And I'm here to tell you, if it closes at the bottom of the bar, then we're going to see this market and Zcash come and test these other 2 buy pockets. Here it is on the 3. 3 looks terrible too. You don't want to see a market that does a price move in one direction and then in the next price bar it comes right back down the opposite direction. That is a dead giveaway that what we thought originally occurred in this situation, the buying, it wasn't real. Because if it was real, we would have continued to see Zcash continue to go higher in price, but instead it pivoted right there around $695, $700 to where it's now down to $358. That's not good to see if you're trying to allow this cryptocurrency to go up. Okay, so now here it is on the 5 weeks. Same thing on the 5. And so far for the month of December, I think you guys can see what's going on. So now we're going to look at this on the hourly chart just to figure out if the market participants is becoming buyers more often than not. And as of right now, we're not really getting that. That's a sell pocket right there. Okay. That's the 11-hour. Here it is on the 5-hour chart. Okay. Zcash on the 3. So we can actually make that a little bit tighter. Zcash on the 1-hour chart. So the potential is there though, right here, for us to see Zcash try to bounce. And if it does, then maybe short term, we can see the market go higher. Okay, here it is on the 330. So yeah, as of right now, I'm not too excited to see this cryptocurrency go higher. However, we're going to hold these buy pockets right here just to see if the market is going to hold hold these buy pockets to at least later on allow price to go up, because there's definitely still some weakness here into the market in Zcash. So we're going to go ahead and drop this prediction here right now, and we're going to look for price to go down. Now these targets though will be real close. Okay, so our first target is like 3.66% move lower from where the price currently is. That price is at $347. Second target, $334, gives us around 7%. Then our third target is going to be around 304, 15.68% there. Okay. Outside of that, we're going to run it all the way down to this next pocket around 238 to 227. It's like 36-37% market move to the downside. Okay, so now the only way that I wouldn't expect price to run down to $227 is if over the next couple of days or so we'll see the market in Zcash bounce off of this first, second, or third buy pocket. So yeah, that's it. That's where I'm at right now. I don't see anything on the chart that will resemble that we're about to pivot so far into the market in Zcash. I just don't. And then when I look at this signal right there of a sell, it looks to me like this buy pocket ultimately may be in jeopardy of being broken to the downside. Okay, so yeah, your boy, I'm done. I'm finished. This is the prediction right now currently that we have on the chart. We're anticipating that this weakness, the selling in the market in Zcash is not finished. The only way that we will conclude that the selling may be finished is if the market holds one of those three buy pockets. That's it. All right, so I'm gonna leave it right there. Okay, now if you appreciate the videos and the content, as always, make sure you guys hit that like, share, and subscribe for more of my predictions and my forecasts. And hopefully you guys have been learning a lot from these videos, because it's not complicated at all. You can simply come in, draw the pockets of where you suspect the buyers and the sellers to be, because price is like a magnet. It's going to be drawn to these pockets, and that's where the market wants to go. Especially there's a lot of people trying to buy these cryptocurrencies at certain levels. Price will always go there. Okay, that's the purpose. That's the function of the market, is to allow people to conduct business. And if you got like $1 billion to buy Zcash, you want to buy it at $300, then you buy a little bit here, you buy a little bit there, and you just wait until the market comes back to you. These people that got billions and millions of dollars to play with, they're not in a hurry to come in and purchase these cryptocurrencies. They could wait years, they could wait months before they actually fulfill their full position of buying these cryptos. Okay, so that's it. I am done. Go to give me your thoughts. Make sure you guys maintain profit, and as always, trade different.